Hello people of the world, it is I, Lance Entertainment. Get ready to watch some hot-ass Call of Duty gameplay right here in the bumping state of Nebraska. Once again, friendly reminder to not be a little bitch in this epic game of BB Wars. And without further ado, Juju on the beat gang sheet.
Really?
Yeah.
Am I not recording right now?
Oh, you're recording right now.
I was gonna say. It's 3 lives, Jacob.
Oh, 3 lives?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, my gun was on safety.
Ah, hit! Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Jacob! Alright, the other guy's dead, so let's pinch him. Yeah. Sorry. Hit. Oh, I'm dead.
So the infected are gonna go out there without weapons, and they're gonna go down to that spawn, and that's where they're gonna spawn. Their goal is to run around and tag you. If you get tagged by an infected, you come over here. You already know how to do this. So you put your gun down, and then you go down to their spawn, touch the wall, and then you start. What do you want? No.
Find a living hell out of it. Turn on your light. Line down.
Where to get light?
Wait, Jacob, Jared! The last thing I want to be is the first one. Wait. Is one already out? Oh my fuck, dude. Oh yeah! Dude, there's so many in front of me, I don't want to shoot them though. Hey, they're doing the Macarena! Ah! Jacob! Jared, Jacob! Bang, 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 bang! I banged you all! Oh, Jacob! I'll watch this side.
There's so many people.
I'm watching the house. Jacob, I'm trusting you. We gotta push that way. Did I not get you? No. Fair enough. I was breathing so hard. Oh, put your mask on. Put your mask on. Oh, is that game? Ah! Who's shooting through the door jam? Pussy! Ow, my ass!
I just got blind.
What? No, I couldn't see anything. Sorry. It's okay. I was shooting that in.
Socks on, safety's on.
All right. 3, 2, 1, go!
In the house. Nice. Hit.
Lance Entertainment?
Oh, that's him.
Oh my god!
I fucking hate this place. You guys just want to fucking sprint down the.
Right side?
Yeah.
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 Lance is first.
Okay.
I'll go after Lance.
Oh. Hit my ass. My ass hurts. Oh fuck.
I didn't see anybody.
I'm gonna run.
I like your neck.
Hit. How the fuck did they get that many votes? Sorry.
I even looked.
Sorry. Hit. I'm rolling down my sleeves. That shit hurts. That was my funny bone. Hey, I hit your gun! Whoa! Was that you? That scared me. Oh, I slipped.
Remember, sudden death, once you are hit, you are out.
Yeah.
It's dead.
What is that? What the fuck?
Give him a t-shirt. I'm gonna straight up do this.
Oh, I got him. Oh shit, dude. Here. Oh, sorry. We almost kissed. That would have been hot. He's dead. He's dead.
We need to get in the house.
Sorry.
Yep, one house.
Right side. Here.
Shot.
I'm gonna push out. Okay. To the left. What? Hey! Don't do it, please!
Is he trying to shoot the
Yeah.
You can't shoot through the crack. Head on me.
Hey, yo, light me, dog. Light me. Give me your light.
Fuck.
Let me see your light bulb. I have that many shots left. Nice.
Shoots it. Everything pops.
August. Stop! Turn around.
Okay.
Did he get shot?
Yeah. I'm dead. Tight left. Left. Here. Jake. He's tight left. Jacob, watch that corner. And I'll rush. You got me. Thank you. Dang. Oh, I was like, where the fuck did I get shot from? You're dry firing.
Wait, who's out?
Dead, dead, dead. Guy in that corner. Not in the building. Oh, he's in the building.
Absolutely destroying the kid.
Sorry. Oh shit, my right arm. Oh. Am I recording?
Yeah.
Cool. 3, 2, 1, go. I think you hit my sweatshirt, but you didn't hit me in that first.
No, I didn't hit you.
No, I saw your
shadow.
I saw
and then
your
I started
shadow.
Shooting before.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. Three, two, one, go! Hit. 3, 2, 1, go! Hit. Hit. We keep trading. I know. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go. sorry. Where'd I hit you?
Like in between, right on
Dude.
the shirt.
You ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Three, two, one, go! Hit. I said hit, but I don't know if you hit me at all. I didn't feel anything.
You hit me on the top of the knee.
Ready? Hit. No, you hit me way before. I heard it hit my plate carrier. 3, 2, 1, go! Did you hit me?
I think so.
Oh, okay.
I think we traded.
I didn't feel anything, but because I was running. Oh!
I thought you were still there.
You scared the fuck out of me. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, I hit. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, hit right in the face. What?
I'm sorry.
Oh no, that's all that was out. You're good. 3, 2, 1, go! Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Did you get me? Sorry.
You were running.
Ready? I was bumping shoulders, bro. Oh no, you were facing me. My light flashed before my eyes.
Because you screamed, dude. You know when you said, like, you're so deep in enemy territory, you're like, you're left, right. I was like, left, right. I thought I heard noise in the back. I was like, oh, fuck. But he had enough time to, like, make it up there. Like, oh, fuck, I was freaking out, dude.